Hi everybody, this is Jen and I am here with my ASC design team package, what I ordered for the design team for this month, and I have some freebies. These little, I think they're poppies. They're not poppies. I don't know what they are. Little rice paper samples, and you can see they say sample on them, but you always have a chance of getting some freebies in your package. So we have quite a few of these we can play with, and that's the sample rice paper from ITD. And I also got 2 pieces of rice paper here. I got the AB, which is a new company to ASC Supply, AB Be Creative Every Day, AB Studio Collage Rice Paper. And I thought these images were neat, and I thought that we're going to try and add some colors to some of them. We'll see what happens. And then I also got this Alice rice paper. This one says it's number 6550, and this one says it's number 6070. And Crystal has lots and lots of rice paper. So I'll put that in my rice paper stash, and I haven't found my rice paper yet that I had before, so once I find my rice paper, I'll show you guys the stash. I did get my Lavinia stamps video for those, so those will be coming up here shortly. I picked up the Worn Lipstick Distress Spritz, which I haven't had a chance to play with yet, but last time I got the Spice Marmalade and the Barn Door. I thought these were nice spring or fall colors. And then this one, Rebecca Tate, who's also on the ASC design team, she does this really cute Lavinia card, and I want to do that, and that's why I thought that would be a perfect thing for that. And if you're not a member of the ASC Facebook group, you need to go to the ASC Facebook group. It's linked down below, and the people there are awesome. I got 2 of the mix-em-ups, and this one is Lovey Dovey, and this one is Donkey Stuffin', and it's called Donkey Stuffin' because it has little Eeyore-like pieces in it. Let me see if I can get one so you can see it. Nova just came up, and she's kind of breathing loud and snorting, so if you hear her in the background, it's just Nova Cameo. Okay, I'm trying to show you one of these little guys. I didn't realize that these little guys were in here, but when I seen it, can you see? Can you focus on that? I don't know if the light is letting you see what the little Eeyore looks like, but that's the Donkey Stuffin' mix-em-ups. I'm getting quite a little collection of those. I do plan on doing some cards after I'm done with this mini album, just to break it up a little bit, because mini albums are a commitment. Like, once you start a mini album, you're looking at, for me, like a month, because I don't, well, I'm doing other things too. And then I thought this guy was really cute. It looks like he has, I'm not sure, is that a, oh, it's a package. He has a package in his hand. So yeah, I thought he was really cute, and it's a Dancing Birthday Dragon from Spellbinders. And there's 6 dies, and they group all the colors together, so that's very convenient. And then the bottom swings, like the bottom swings. So I definitely plan on doing some cards, and he will make it into the cards. And then I got some other embellishments for cards. I had gotten the Happy Birthday 6x8 from Mente to do cards, and I didn't get the ephemera pack, so I decided that it would be much easier if I just got the ephemera pack. So we're going to make some cards with those. And then I got these butterflies from AB Studio. They're decoupage they're called decoupage, but they're like chipboard. Maybe not chipboard, but they're thicker. I'm gonna say they're a good 100, I don't know, at least 110-pound weight. But those would be beautiful on a card, and I think they match the collection, the rainbow collection from Paper Rose. So let's see here. I have the Rainbow Garden collection, and I have die cuts for these that I've already started cutting apart, you can see. But look at the colors on those. They're very similar. So we may mix and match some Paper Rose with some AB Studio. So that's my thinking anyways. So I'm going to store these two together for now until I get that project done. And then I went back a little bit. I don't know if you guys realize that I have a graphic 45 collection, we'll say. I use them. It's not like I hoard them. I use them, but I kind of get more than what I can use. And I missed out on this collection last year, summer. So I went ahead and got the ephemera pack. It's called Ephemera Assortment. Oh, and this is called Sunshine on My Mind, and it is still available as of right now anyways. I don't know if all of it's available, but they definitely have some of the collection. ASC Supplies on Etsy, and I love the colors. So I don't necessarily like watermelon, but I love the colors on this. So I got the 8x8 pad, which is just a smaller version of the 12x12 pad. And I don't know if we talked about this, but this just has 2 sheets of each of the 8 different double-sided papers. So sometimes they switch back and forth and they have stickers in them and this and that, but this is just the 12x12 collection pack. So there's 16 pieces of paper in that one. Same with this one, there's 16 pieces of the 8x8. And then I really like to get the patterns and solids to go along with those, because some of Graphic 45's paper is really busy. So I went ahead and got the patterns and solids paper to go with that. And that concludes my design team package. So upcoming for you, I have a Lavinia stamp inventory. So you're going to see all of the stamps that I have. And I'm going to tell you, just be prepared. So you're looking at 297 stamp sets for Lavinia stamps. So it's almost an hour-long video, and all I'm doing is showing you my stamps. And then as I collect the rest of the stuff in the new room, I'll show you some different collections. Graphic 45 is going to be one of them. Also a very, very long video. I have the rest of the tutorial and, of course, the video share on my 6x8 Ciao Bella Wizard Academy album, which you could see that here. If you're interested in making mini albums, I do very detailed step-by-step process on that. And then we're going to make some cards to break up the whole mini album thing. So, yeah, head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy, asccraftsupplies.com. Use ScrappingPosh10 for 10% off your normal price purchase. And everybody have a wonderful week. We'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.